Dollylocks Professional Organic Dreadlock Detox. Hypoallergenic and pH balance for gentle yet effective cleansing with all pure essential oils that will awaken and lift your spirits. This is a deep cleanse that we recommend every 3 to 12 months to purge hair of impurities, leaving your dreadlocks refreshed, renewed, and squeaky clean. This product is the newest addition to the Dollylocks lineup. It contains a perfect balance of natural minerals and organic apple cider vinegar. Antifungal and antiseptic properties help to deodorize the dreadlocks. Sodium bicarbonate is naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, but it is very alkaline and should be used in moderation. That is why we recommend every 3 to 12 months. And this is also why pH balancing is so important. Apple cider vinegar is extremely acidic, about a 3 on the pH scale, and sodium bicarbonate, which is also baking soda, is approximately an 8 on the pH scale. So you want to make sure that if you're using a detox on your hair that it is professional, because it makes a big difference if it's pH balanced. This is available in Nog Champa, Coconut Lime Grapefruit, Tea Tree Spearmint, and Rosemary Peppermint. It will come with your detox powder and a liquid shampoo. To use this product, remove the packet of powder from the detox kit. You're going to dissolve this powder into 2 to 3 gallons of warm water. Once you have dumped the powder into your bucket or receptacle or your bathtub, you want to wait until the water is completely clear. Once it's clear, it's ready to use. You're going to soak your dreadlocks for 5 to 20 minutes, and then you're going to rinse your hair. After you rinse, you're going to use this entire bottle of shampoo in 2 to 3 washings. So that means rinse, wash, rinse, wash. So do it at least 2 to 3 times. And then your dreadlocks are going to be fabulous.